Hello grade 9. In this video we will talk about the circle. Because what? Because in this term we will study the circle. So in the first we will make quick revision on basic definition and concepts on the circle. In the first, what is the meaning of circle? Circle, it's the set of points which have equidistance from fixed point. Fixed point here is called center of the circle. Center of the circle. In the circle we have some concepts: radius, diameter, and chord. What is the meaning of radius? Like this. Radius is the distance or line segment joining between center of the circle and any point on the circle. Again, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 1, 2, 3. Hello grade 9. In this term we will study the circle. So in the first we will make quick revision on basic definition and concept of the circle. In the first, what is the meaning of circle? Circle is a set of points which have equidistance from fixed point. Fixed point here I mean the center of the circle, like here, circle M. I mean this circle, its center is M. And we have some concept of the circle like radius, diameter, and chord. In the first, what is the meaning of radius? Radius is the line segment joining between center of the circle and any point on the circle. Like here, MA, MC, and MP are called radii of the circle, and all radii on the same circle are equal in length. Here, what is the meaning of chord? Chord like AP, because chord is line segment joining between any point on the circle, like here, AB is chord. Also, AC is chord, AD is chord. Last one, diameter. Diameter, it's a longest chord. It's a longest chord passing through the center of the circle, like here, AB is the chord, but AB passing through the center of the circle, so called AB, it's the diameter of the circle M, okay? Here, in each of the following figures, find the value of used sample in measuring. In number A here, I need to find measure of angle X, AMB. Since measure of angle A equal 40, MAP equal 40. I said before the radii on the same circle equal in length. Therefore, MB and MA equal in length. Because MB and MA are radii, therefore MP equal MA. Therefore, the triangle AMB is isosceles triangle. And we know the base congruent in isosceles triangle are equal in measure. The angle base are congruent. So measure of angle MAB equal measure of angle MBA equal 40 also. So therefore, measure of angle X here equal 180 minus 40 plus 40. Therefore, measure of angle X equal, yes, excellent, 80. Here, I need to find measure of angle Y, MAB. Only I know the measure of angle AMP. No, the reflex angle of angle BMA. The reflex angle, here I need to find measure of angle BMA. Therefore, measure of it 360 minus 220 equal what? Equal 140 degrees. Therefore, this angle equal 140 degree. And since MB and MA are DI, therefore MA equal MB. Therefore, measure of angle Y equal good 180 minus 140 divided 2 equal 20. Last one, number C. I need to find measure of angle X and measure of angle Y. Since DA equal DM and measure of angle DMA equal 27. Therefore, also measure of angle A equal 27. Here, measure of angle or angle EDM is exterior angle of the triangle DAM. Therefore, measure of angle X equal 27 plus 27 equal 54 because it's exterior angle of this triangle. And here ME and MD are DI. Therefore, ME equal MD. Therefore, measure of angle E here equal cap equals 54 also. Therefore, the vertex angle in the triangle EMD equal 180 minus 54 plus 54 equals 72 degree. Okay? Symmetry in the circle. Symmetry in the circle. Any straight line passing through the center of the circle is called axis of symmetry. Again, any straight line passing through the center of circle is axis of symmetry of it, like L1, L2, L3. Then the circle has many number of axes or has infinite number of axes of symmetry. Now, in case number 1, straight line passing through the center of the circle and passing through the midpoint of any chord of it perpendicular on this chord. So the straight line here passing through the center of the circle and also the midpoint of this chord, therefore it's perpendicular on it. Here, the straight line passing through the center of the circle and perpendicular to any chord in this circle bisect this chord. Therefore, here CA equal CB. Okay? But here, the perpendicular bisector of any chord of this circle passing through the center of the circle. Like here, okay? Here, MC perpendicular on AP and also bisect AP. Therefore, this straight line L passing through the center circle M. For example, here, M circle in each of the following figures complete. Number A. Here, C is midpoint of AB because from the drawing CA equals CB. Therefore, C is the midpoint of the chord AB. Therefore, what? Therefore, MC perpendicular on AB. Since measure of angle CMA equal 50 degree. Therefore, measure of angle A equals, good, 40. But number B, measure of angle A equals 60. ME bisect AC because A is midpoint. Therefore what? Yes, therefore ME perpendicular on AC. Similarly, MD bisect AB. Therefore, MD perpendicular on AB. And we know from grade 7 the sum of the interior angle for the quadrilateral equals 360. Here I have the measure of 3 angles, so I can find the measure of fourth angle, angle EMD. Therefore, measure of angle DME equals 360 minus 60 plus 90 plus 90 equals 120. Clear? Number D, AB. I need to find the length of AB. Here, MX perpendicular on AB. Therefore, I can find the length of AX from Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, AX equals the square root of 10 power 2 minus 6 power 2 equals square root of 64 equal 8. Therefore, AX equal 8 centimeter. Then AB equal 16. Because what? Because MX perpendicular on AB. Therefore, X is the midpoint of AB, or of X midpoint of AB. Therefore, AX equal XB. Therefore, AB equal 16 centimeter. And number E, here, AB equal 10 centimeter. I need to find the length of CD. CD here represent the diameter of the circle. Okay. In the triangle AEM, ME perpendicular on AB. Therefore, E the midpoint of AB. Therefore, EA equal EB. Since AB equal 10 centimeter, then the length of AE equal 5 centimeter. And we know the length of side opposite to the angle of measure 30 equal half the length of the hypotenuse. And here the measure of angle AME equals 30. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse ME equals 10 centimeter. This hypotenuse ME represents the radius of the circle, and we know the diameter of the circle equal to R, and the radius of the circle equals 10 centimeter. So the diameter equal 20. Therefore, CD equal 20 centimeter. In this figure, the circle MX perpendicular on AB, MY perpendicular on AC, measure of angle A 60, measure of angle P 70. Find the measures of the angle of the triangle MXY. This triangle MXY. From the given and the first given here, since MX perpendicular on AP and MY perpendicular on AC in the circle M. So since MX perpendicular on AB and MY perpendicular on AC. Therefore what? Good. Therefore, measure of angle AXM equals measure of angle AYM equal 90 degrees. And since AXMY is quadrilateral, AXMY is quadrilateral. Therefore, measure of angle YMX equal 360 minus, yes, 60 plus 90 plus 90 equals 120 degree. Okay? Now, since MX perpendicular on AB, therefore X midpoint of AB, good. And since MY perpendicular on AC, therefore Y midpoint of AC. Now, from grade 7, we know line segment joining between the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle parallel to the third side, okay? Parallel to the third side. So, XY parallel to CB, therefore, XY parallel to CB. Therefore, measure of angle B equal measure of angle AXY, corresponding angle. And also we know the measure of angle AXB equal 180 because it's a straight line. And we know that's equal 70 and it's 90. Therefore, measure of angle YXM equals 20. So, therefore, measure of angle B equal measure of angle AXY equals 70 degree. Therefore, measure of angle YXM equals 180 minus 70 plus 90 equals 20. Now, this angle equals 20 and measure of angle YMX equals what? Equals 120. Now, the sum of the interior angle for any triangle equals 180. And you know two angles. So, you can find the third angle. Third angle here equals 180 minus 120 plus 20 equals 40. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.